Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Honorable Mrs. Shifa Fadila Hamid, SPD MPD, our lecturer for English for academic purpose, and all my classmates. Before we start, we from 6th group would like to introduce ourselves.
My name is Fala Dinananta.
My name is Nadira Nisawardani.
And I am Kotonada Kamilah, the moderator for today's presentation. The title of our presentation today is Leadership Style in Public Organization. Why is this important? Because leadership is not just about titles or authority. In public organization and even in student organization, leadership is about how we influence people, how we make decisions, and how we create change. In this presentation, we will explore how different leadership styles can influence performance, workplace culture, and the quality of public service. I invite all of us to open our minds because the right leadership style not only creates better decisions, it directly impacts the citizen we serve. Before we start, I will explain a little about how our presentation will go. We will share the material in a few simple parts. First, an introduction to the topic. Then, the main explanation, and finally, our conclusion. I kindly ask to everyone to stay focused and listen carefully so we can learn from the material together. Alright, without taking too much time, let's begin. To the first presenter, the time is yours.
Leadership style in the public sector plays an important role in driving organizational performance. Leadership style has been proven to influence employee job stratification, innovative behavior, and organizational culture factors that are all essential for improving performance. Studies show that leadership style not only affects employees' motivation and performance, but also shapes organizational commitment and citizenship behavior, both of which are vital for an organization's success. The interaction between leadership style, organization culture, and employee motivation is crucial in shaping employee performance. In addition, the role of leadership in fostering an innovative culture, organizational learning, and work motivation further highlights its performance in improving organizational outcomes. Leadership in the public sector is especially significant because it helps determine the direction and sustainability of the organization. Effective leadership not only boosts overall performance but also influences how well the organization can face the complex challenge of the modern age. The leadership style in public organization. Leadership in public organization plays an important in the determining the effectiveness and success of executing organizational goals. The leadership style used by a leader not only influence employee performance but also affect the quality of the public service. Some main leadership style commonly known in the literature include: number 1, authoritative leadership characterized by categorialized control and decision making. Leadership make decisions without input from team members. Number 2, democratic leadership involves team membership in the decision making process, encouraging participation and collaboration. Number 3, transformational leadership focus on inspiring and motivating team members to achieve a shared vision. Number 4, translation leadership based on a reward and punishment system to motivate team members.
To continue, I'd like to hand it over to Naura, who will talk about impact on public organization, challenge in flexible leadership, and best ways to overcome this challenge.
Impacts on public organization. Leadership style in public organization greatly affect service quality, innovation, and the speed of response to the community. It also influence workplace culture, including employee morale, loyalty, and ethical values. Impact on service quality, innovation, and responsiveness. A good leadership style can motivate employees, which lead to better public service. Leaders who support new ideas, encourage innovation, and help the organization respond quickly and effectively to problems or change. Impact on workplace culture. Leadership style also strongly influences employees' attitudes and behavior. Leaders who show good ethics and care of others will inspire employees to be more disciplined, loyal, and ethical in their work. Employee motivation and commitment will also increase when leaders provide support and show genuine attention. Challenges in flexible leadership. Some challenges in applying a flexible leadership style include strict and regulation, resistance from employees who fear change, and political influence that create difficult and unstable situations. For example, in government settings, strict rules often make it hard for leaders to adjust their style when needed. In addition, employees may feel uncomfortable with change and reject new ways of working. There's ways to overcome this challenge. The best solution is to combine different leadership styles such as inspirational and flexible approach, so leaders can adapt to various situations. Technology can also be very helpful. For example, using apps for communication and online training to help leaders learn how to manage change. Leadership training programs are important to improve the abilities of public leaders, especially in dealing with change and communicating effectively with the whole team.
Now, Nadira will discuss example cases about leadership style in public organization.
Example cases and phenomena in the provincial government of East Kalimantan. Transformational leadership support the progress of bureaucratic reform by using local potentials such as oil and forestry, and a democratic leadership style can also be seen in many public organizations where leadership share authority, make policy together, and integrate two-way communication to increase employee motivation. Situational leadership trend highlight the importance of logical analysis for making long-term decisions, weighting the bureaucratic.
Let's move on the last part, which is conclusion. In conclusion, leadership style plays a very important role in public organization. It influences not only employee performance but also service quality, innovation, workplace culture, and the organization ability to respond to change. Leaders who can choose and adjust their leadership style based on the situation will be more successful and motivating employees and building strong commitment. Although three are challenges, such as strict rules, employee resistance, and political pressure, this challenge can be managed by combining different leadership styles, using technology for communicating and learning, and improving leadership skills through training. With these efforts, public leaders can be better prepared to handle change and provide high-quality service to the community. To close, we can say that effective leadership is the key to the success of public organization. With leaders who are adaptive, ethical, and good at communication, organizational goals can be achieved more easily and public service can run more effectively. Thank you for your attention and time. We hope this presentation has been useful and added new insight for all of us.